The point charge of 120 nanocoulomb are located at 001 and B00-1 in a free space. Then find E bar at 0.500. And second, what signal charge at origin would provide identical field strength? So from the given information, first we draw the diagram. So the given charges and point P are located here. Point A is 0, 0, 1. So it is on Z axis. Point B 0, 0, -1 here. Next is we have to find E bar at 0.500. So we have to find the E at this point. So first is calculation of E bar due to A, and the second is calculation of E bar due to B. So first, calculation of E bar due to A. So here R A P bar is equal to RP bar minus RA bar. So 0.5 minus 0 is 0.5 AX bar. 0 minus 0 is 0 AY bar, and 0 minus 1 is minus AZ bar. Now mod it is 0.5 square plus minus 1 square. So it is 1.118. Now from that unit vector we can write RAP bar. So it is 0.5 AX bar minus AZ bar divided by 1.118. Now we have the formula. E bar EAP bar is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square AP into AP bar. So what is Q? Q at point A is 120 nanocoulomb. So it is 120 into 10 raised to, as it is nano, it is 10 raised to minus 9, 4 pi into 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 R square AP, that is 1.118 square into it is 0.5 AX bar minus AZ bar divided by 1.18. So we solve all this part and the value is 771.8 into 0.5 AX bar minus AZ bar. This is EAP bar. This is equation 1. Now similarly we have to find the calculation of E bar due to B. So it is RBP bar is equal to RP bar minus RB bar. So it is P having value 0.5 minus 0. So it is 0.5 AX bar plus 0 minus 0 is 0, and 0 minus of minus 1 is plus AZ bar. So it is square root of 0.5 square plus 1 square, it is 1.118. Now unit vector A BP bar is equal to RBP So it is 0.5 ax bar plus az bar divided by 1.118. Now again we have the formula EBP bar is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square BP into ABP bar. Now here also they have given the point charge of 120 nanocoulomb located at both the points, that is at A and B. So here also point Q is 120 nanocoulomb. So it is 120 into 10 raised to minus 9, 4 pi 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. Our BP value is 1.118 square and it is 0.5 ax bar plus az bar divided by 1.118. So we solve this part only and the output is 771.8.5 ax bar plus az bar. This is equation 2. This is EBP bar. Now we find the total E bar. So total E bar is equal to E bar AP plus E bar BP. So we add both the terms, 771.8 into 0.5 ax bar minus az bar plus 771.8 into so this az term gets cancelled and the output is this is E bar. Now the second part of the problem is that they have asked what single charge at origin would provide the identical field strength. Now for that we have to calculate the Q2 which is placed at the origin. So we write here calculate Q2 placed at origin such that it provides same E bar at point P. So for that we will first draw the diagram. So this is the diagram. So from this diagram we can write RQ2P bar, that is RP minus RQ. So it is 0.5 ax bar. So mod of RQ2P is equal to 0.5. Similarly, unit vector AQ2P bar is equal to R bar Q2P mod of R Q2P. So it is 0.5 ax bar divided by 0.5, that is equal to ax bar. Now this point charge Q2, it provides same E bar. Same E bar given by equation 3. equation 3 means the previous answer, that is E bar. So 771.8 Ax bar is equal to Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R Q2P into A Q2P bar. So it is 771.8 Ax bar is equal to Q2 divided by 4 pi 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 0.5 square dot Ax bar. So value of Q2 is 21.468 nano coulomb. Now in Millikan oil drop experiment, next problem. In Millikan oil drop experiment, the weight of 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 14 kg drop is exactly balanced by the electric force in vertically directed 200 kV per meter field. So calculate the charge on the drop in the units of electronic charge. So here the relationship between electric field intensity and electric force. The relationship between electric field intensity and electric force is given by E bar is equal to F bar divided by Q. So F bar is equal to Q into E bar, or we can write mod of Q into E bar. Now what is E bar? Now E bar is given in the problem as 200 kV per meter, that is 200 into 10 raised to 3 volt per meter. So F bar is, we substitute this value in above equation, so it is 200 into 10 raised to 3 Q. Now in problem the weight is given, so here we can write given weight, that is M is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 14 kg. It is balanced by this force, and force can be expressed by, as mod of F bar is equal to M into G. So it is 1.6 into 10 raised to this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. Now we equate equation 1 and 2. So 200 into 10 raised to 3 Q is equal to 1.5696 into 10 raised to minus 13. So Q is equal to 7.848 into 10 raised to minus 19. Also given is, what is given in the problem? Given E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Here term Q is in the term of E. So Q in terms of E. So Q is equal to 7.848 into 10 raised to minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So value of Q is 4.905